Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your Shopify Horizon theme announcement bar. Let's get started. First, go to shopify.com, then click Login right here. Just enter in your email in this field, or you may also choose to log in using your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google. This will lead you to your Shopify dashboard. In here on the left panel, click on Online Store. Then scroll down until you see the Theme Library section, which is where you will find your Horizon theme. Then click Customize to proceed to the Shopify editor. On the left panel, click on Add section under the header section. Then click Announcement bar right here. In this customization panel, you can edit the speed, the section width, the color scheme, and the divider if you have one. For the color scheme, just click on this drop-down menu and pick from all of these color schemes available. If you want to make your own color scheme, click on Theme Settings right here, click Colors, then you will see all these color schemes. If you want to add your own, click on Add Scheme, and then let's say that we want to make the background red, and then let's make the text white. Then you can go back to the customization panel of your announcement bar by clicking on Sections, and then click on the drop-down menu again, and you will have your own color scheme here. So click on it to apply it to your announcement bar. If you want to place your announcement bar on the topmost part of your website, click on this arrow icon right here to go back, then hover your mouse over the announcement bar, press down on this 6-dot icon, then drag it upward. If you want to edit the text on your announcement bar, click on this right here. Then on this text box, you can edit the text to your preference. And lastly, if you want to add a divider, just go back by clicking on this arrow icon, click Add Section, then click Divider right here. Position the divider to your preference by once again hovering your mouse over it, pressing down on the 6-dot icon, then dragging it wherever you need it to be placed. Then click on it to customize your divider. You can edit the color scheme, you can edit the width, you can edit the thickness, the length, and the padding like that. You can also add a custom CSS if you have one. Once you're done customizing, click on Save up here to save your changes. And that is how you can set up an announcement bar on Shopify Horizon theme. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.